You set the goal, you made the plan, but a few days later, you are back to scrolling, procrastinating, and feeling guilty. Sound familiar? Today on Psych GB, we are breaking down the psychology of why motivation fades and how to hack your brain to stay on track. Let's go. Motivation is like a sugar rush. It feels good, but it crashes fast. Why? Because motivation is emotional. It is a mood, and moods change. If you only take action when you feel motivated, you will only take action occasionally. Real progress comes from discipline, not emotion. Here is the shift. Do not rely on motivation, rely on systems. Your brain is wired for instant gratification. Every like, scroll, or short video hits your dopamine center. This rewires your reward system. Now, boring tasks feel unbearable, even if they are important. Want to change that? You must retrain your dopamine. Make focus the reward. Try this. Work for 25 minutes, then reward yourself with 5 minutes of what you crave. This is called the Pomodoro Technique. And it works because it aligns with how your brain works. Start a business, get in shape, fix my life. These are not goals, they are dreams. And dreams without a plan create paralysis. The brain hates vague instructions, it needs clarity. So instead of get in shape, say, I will walk for 20 minutes at 7 a.m. every day this week. Make it small, make it specific, make it daily. That's how you turn intentions into results. Here is a hard truth. You do not act inconsistent with your identity for long. If you believe you are a procrastinator, you will find ways to procrastinate. Motivation starts in the mirror. It is not about what you want. It is about who you believe you are. Want lasting change? Start saying, I'm the kind of person who shows up, even if it is just for 5 minutes, because every action is a vote for the kind of person you want to become. Discipline is overrated when your environment is working against you. Want to eat healthy? Do not keep junk food inside. Want to read more? Put the book on your pillow. Want to work out? Lay your shoes by the door the night before. Design your space for success. Make the good habits easier. And the bad ones harder, because motivation fades, but environment sticks. Let's be real. There is no perfect time. There is only now. Waiting is often disguised fear. Fear of failing, fear of judgment, fear of starting something you might not finish. But here is the thing. Imperfect action always beats perfect hesitation. Start small, start messy, start scared, but start. You do not need more motivation. You need better habits, smarter goals, stronger systems, and a deeper identity shift. Motivation will get you started, but structure will keep you going. Here is your takeaway. Stop chasing feelings, break your goals into tiny, winnable actions. Design your environment to support you. Shift your identity from I want to I am the kind of person who. Show up especially when it is hard. This is how change sticks. This is how you win long term. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Psych GB, where we decode the psychology of becoming unstoppable. See you in the next one.